Okay, so I've got an ice cube in each of these beakers. Okay, this one is saturated salt water. This is fresh water. And I always have the students predict which one's gonna melt first. And I feel like kids from Minnesota would definitely guess at the salt water. I think I guessed that the salt water would melt first. And so what I do is I set the ice cubes in there, and then they can watch. And sure enough, the freshwater one melts first. Saltwater one melts last by a long shot. It's not even close. So then I do it again, and this time I put a few drops of, since we're close to St. Patrick's Day here, I'm gonna put green food coloring in. So there's food coloring in that guy. Here is, I just put 3 drops in right next to the ice cube. And then for the camera, I'll hold up a nice white background here. And of course, that's what's going on, right? You can see there's a difference in the circulation, right? In the fresh water, the melted water from the ice cube sinks to the bottom of the beaker, and water at room temperature gets pushed up, right, and is next to it. So it's always getting a different water next to it. The salt water, though, the fresh water is less dense, right? In fact, I'm surprised there's even that little tendril going down. That's interesting. Okay. The fresh water, even though it's colder, is much less dense than the salt water. And so it all stays up there on the top. By the way, the ice cube has now melted in this one. It's gone. And this one, there's still an ice cube in there. That's kind of fun. Anyway, that's a great demo. I don't put the dye in right away. I let them puzzle over it. Right. The dye helps though.